Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today we will be making Beet It Juice. All you need for this super healthy recipe is 4 big beets, 6 large carrots, a good sized knob of ginger, 3 bundles of curly parsley, 1 liter of coconut water, and some regular water. First, wash all of the produce. Chop all the beets, carrots, and ginger small enough to fit into the mouth of your juicer. We will be using an auger juicer for the parsley, so just make sure that it is very clean. As you can see, this is no special juicer. I got it from Walmart for around $40 years ago. It comes with this little juice cup, but I already know that my yield will be greater than this cup, so I'm going to switch it out with a 1 liter measuring cup. Now, let's get juicing. There's no method to it, just feed the juicer. Use the plunger as needed to push the vegetables into the blades. After you've juiced the carrots, beets, and ginger, there's plenty of good pulp for you to use in your compost or that spot in the yard that you grow your vegetables or flowers. To get the most juice out of the parsley, you'll need an auger juicer. I will be using the Chef Star auger juicer. The link to it is in the description box down below. It is a manual juicer, so it's a lot more work but a lot less cheaper than the electronic ones, and it gets the job done perfectly. Anyways, let's get the parsley juiced. Okay, we got that done, and again you end up with pulp for the compost or garden and a good amount of parsley juice. It looks clumpy, but it is smooth. Now we're just going to add that over into the larger vat of juice and stir it really well. I'm going to make 3 1-liter jars out of our Beet It Juice, so first pour in equal parts of our fresh juice. And now we're going to follow up with equal parts of the coconut water into each jar. I know some people really hate the taste of coconut water, but I found that the off-brand or store brands are much more pleasant in flavor. They actually have a little sweet taste, so try that and see if that works for you. And to fill up the jars, I'm going to use some water. Now our Beet It juice is done. Let's put the tops on, and this will keep in the refrigerator for a week. We usually drink 4 to 6 ounces per day after breakfast or lunch. It's a really refreshing way to add some nutrition into your diet. Since we're here, I'm going to go ahead and have a fresh glass of Beet It juice. Always shake before serving. Very nice. Thank you so much for watching. It's always a pleasure to share recipes with you all. Please be sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, cheers!